Hi everyone, want to combine different styles or concepts into one mind-blowing AI artwork? Today, let me show you how to blend multiple images for unique AI art with Prome AI. Let's get started. First, head over to promeai.com and log in. And once you're in, click on the image fusion feature. This tool lets you merge multiple styles and reference into one visual. Then here you can upload your images and one or two or more images. For example, a real photo of a forest or with a cityscape. Then here you can also mix characters with the abstract art, fashion with architecture. Be creative. Then here you can add a prompt like in order to blend your guide, just like a cyberpunk fairy tale world with the vibrant colors. Then you can choose your style filter like realistic, painting, anime, or sketch, and more. And the prompt AI will intelligently emerge the key elements into a unique artwork. And once you're happy with the result, download it in high resolution. Use it for concept art, design references, and spark new ideas. Try blending your own visuals today with Prome AI and create art that's never been seen before. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.